Hello guys, Steve here, BS Slot Cars. I'll show you something. I got this here Scooby-Doo Autoworld van for my sister. I got her for Christmas, this beauty. And she was like, man, we should race them things. So, I got me one. But we ain't gonna be able to race them the same, so I'm gonna take mine apart and I'm gonna airbrush it and paint it. I opened it up. Oh, it is nice. Kind of stinks, I have to paint it. She does look like a beaut. Well, I'm gonna rip her apart and get her scuffed up and just do a quick paint job, something light so it don't turn into a heavy boat, because it already is. And then we're gonna race these one day. I just want to show you guys, this has a fake interior with a screw here. Look at this, this thing is heavy. Oh my god, it's so heavy. It's gonna be fun racing these. See if I could unscrew this. I need another screwdriver. I'm gonna unscrew it and strip it down and I'll show you. Alright, I unscrewed the screw in the back. But look at how this car comes apart. That's crazy. So I gotta take the windshield out. Oops. Save that. That's that. Now the interior. Oh my god. There's a lot of stuff going on in here. Looks like I gotta scrape them two lumps of plastic off. I already took these off. Alright, I just figured out. You just get a screwdriver and stick it under there and pry it. And then it comes right out. That's the interior. Have to save that. Now for the lights. This could have been a lighted vehicle. It has the hole for a light there, so you could light this. It just pops right out. See, it has the hole for the light. That's it, all stripped. I'm gonna sand it with this magic eraser just to scuff it up. And then I'm gonna airbrush it with something. I didn't notice, but these top bars here, the roof racks, there's little nibs there melted in, so I just hit them with the Dremel. So hopefully now I could pull them out, just like that. And I could save them, or paint them whatever I want, or just leave them the color they are. Alright. Now I'm just gonna hit the whole body like this. With this magic eraser to dull it up. I may use a scrunch on this part because it has a little raised. So I'm going to use like one of them scrungy things, the green ones. Alright, let me get it done. Alrighty guys, she's all sanded down with the green scrungy. I just want to show you, I don't believe how many parts are in this thing. We got the interior, front and rear bumper, front tire cover, we got the top bars here, we got a windshield and a front glass. That's a lot of parts in an 8 Joe car, and it comes in half like that. It's crazy. I'm gonna have to paint it real light because I don't want to paint it real thick, because then it won't go back together. Next paint job coming up. I got everything ready. I'm at the paint booth here, so we're gonna give it a light coat of black. I got my paintbrush ready, and let's see how she goes. I'm gonna turn on my vent fan. I don't want to do any thick coats. I'm gonna test this first. See the pressure I'm at. Alright, it's one thin coat. Now I'm going to do the other side. Alright, that's one thin coat. I'm going to do another one, and then I'll do some other type of paint. I'll be right back with you guys. I don't know if you guys could see that, but I mixed up some like goldish bronze color I'm going to hit it with. Here goes nothing. Alright, I coated it. I left the top blackish, so I'm going to just give that a clear coat real quick. Alright guys, the final step, clear coat with some, this is like a flake, purple flake. So I'm going to do that next. Got some clear coat mixed with some purple flakes. There goes nothing. Alright, that's it. He's completed. Here's how it looks. It's like gold color with little flakes of purple in there. I don't know if you could see it. On the top you could see it better because it's black. It's hard to see. Let me see if I can pick up the camera. Yep, too many reflections. Anyhow, it's funky, but I'm not gonna go too crazy with it because I want it to be light. It's already a heavy beast, so I'm gonna just put it all together, paint the little dib-dab parts that I have to put on, and that's it. It should be done. I'll show you it next. Alright, I had the Scooby van all painted up, all the parts. I'm going to try assembling it, and I'll show you when it's finished, guys. Well, there she is. She's finished. I'll have some photos of it next. so you could see what it looks like better. I used my other camera to get some photos, but looks like a beauty. It's ready to rock and race my sister. Stay tuned for that race. It's gonna be a good one. Woo!